Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza on a gas grill. First, begin by preheating your gas grill to a high temperature, aiming for about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Place your pizza stone or a sturdy baking sheet directly on the grill grates during this preheating phase. A hot surface is crucial for a crispy crust. Also, make sure your grill grates are clean to avoid any sticking. Now, let's get your pizza ready for the grill. Lightly flour your pizza peel or a flat baking sheet. This is key to easily transferring your pizza. Gently stretch your pizza dough into a round shape, aiming for about 12 to 14 inches in diameter. Then, add your favorite sauce, a generous layer of cheese, and your chosen toppings. Remember, less is often more when grilling pizza to ensure even cooking. It's time to grill. Carefully slide your prepared pizza from the peel onto the hot pizza stone on the grill. Close the grill lid immediately to trap the heat. Cook the pizza for about 4 to 8 minutes, but keep a close eye on it. You'll want to rotate it halfway through cooking to ensure an even golden brown crust and perfectly melted cheese. The exact time depends on your grill's heat and dough thickness. Your pizza is almost ready. Once the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly charred in spots, carefully remove the pizza from the grill using your peel. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This brief resting period helps the cheese set, preventing it from sliding off when you slice it. Then, cut your masterpiece into 8 equal pieces and enjoy your perfectly grilled pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.